Welcome to Wachirathan waterfall. Wachirathan, really beautiful waterfall in Chiang Mai. Wachirathan waterfall, really beautiful waterfall in Chiang Mai. Today again, Wachirathan waterfall, national park, really beautiful. Hello Chiang Mai, really beautiful girl in waterfall, beautiful waterfall and beautiful girl. Enjoy, enjoy. So over there is a strawberry field. Strawberry, small one. Thailand. This is wild strawberry. 2,000 times of vitamin C, 2,000 times of orange. ผาดอกเสี้ยว try beautiful river in the jungle of Chiang Mai Doi Inthanon peaceful strong water
全说下面有个标美的锅头需要开吹开烧了，后面的听好了没有？往前走，前面有个
beautiful river in the jungle. They have a small fish in this river also. Okay, thank you, sir. You can take photo? Oh, okay. Very beautiful. ผาดอกเสี้ยว waterfall in National Park Doi Inthanon ChiangmaiThailand Thailand. Really beautiful. Huh? Yeah. Oh, very beautiful landscape. A lot of animals. buffalo crowns. Beautiful landscape, nice area. Really beautiful view. Really beautiful area in this area. Over there is the road. Mekarang City, Korean village in next stop. Oh, a lot of cows. So the people, Korean people, they feed the cows in this field. You see, they eat breakfast. Yummy. Big group. This is the top of Chiang Mai National Park, Doi Inthanon. So this is the highest spot in Thailand for make a photo. A lot of people make a queue. Oh, a lot of birds over there. Bird. See, big group of birds. You should wish something. If you can pick the coin, you can have something tonight. Jing. Oh, very good. Okay, you can try. Don't breathing. Oh, very good. Oh. So today they sell the banana, grilled banana and grilled egg, and also grilled sticky rice and put banana inside. Really delicious. 20 baht each. Yes, you can want. All right. Beautiful pagoda in the top of the mountain, Doi Inthanon. Purple color, they built this pagoda. Air Force Base built this pagoda for our queens since 92 years ago. Since 1993.